Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin Farhan. I am from ISMP RBT 3rd semester. So today I would like to share about milling process. So what is milling process? Milling process is a type of machining that allows modeling in complex forms and trimming pieces of several materials such as metal, wood, plastic, composites, and the other things. Milling is the process of machining that using rotary cutters to remove material by advancing a cutter into a workpiece. This may be done varying direction on one several axes. Did you know how this milling workflow process? So let me explain to you. Okay, first, the milling machines are basically classified as a vertical or horizontal. These machines are also classified as knee type, ram type, manufacturing or bed type, and planer type. So most of milling machines have self-contained electric drive motors, coolant systems, variable spindle speed, and power-operated table feeds. Next, it employed in the metal removing operation on a milling machine is that the work is rigidly clamped on the table machine and revolving cutter which has multiple teeth is mounted on the eyeball. And you know, the cutter revolves at high speed and the work is fed slowly past the cutter. So that is milling process. Did you know we have 15 different types of milling machine operation, such as plane milling operation, face milling operation, side milling operation, straddle milling operation, angular milling operation, gang milling operation, form milling operation, profile milling operation, and milling operation, saw milling operation, milling keyways, grooves and slot, gear milling, helical milling, cam milling, and last is thread milling. Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this milling process? Alright, so first, I will share the advantages of this milling process. Alright, so milling process can do thousands of milling parts production that can be done in short time. The other thing is this milling process have the high accuracy on production and it will product a better surface on the workpiece or the final product. And the disadvantages of this milling process are the milling machine setup is high cost and the workers who operate milling machines need a proper training. And last thing is it takes a period of time for design and programming, not so cost effective for a small amounts of product. This is the disadvantage of the CNC or computer numerical control, which it costs so high to buy or to operate that kind of machines.